Before we begin, it's important to understand why choosing the correct weight unit is essential for running a smooth Shopify store. The weight measurement you use directly affects your shipping rates, carrier calculations, fulfillment accuracy, and even the customer's perception of your products. Using the right unit for your target audience can significantly reduce confusion and ensure a better shopping experience. With that context in mind, let's walk through the process together. Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the default weight unit from kilogram to pound in Shopify. This quick adjustment can be particularly beneficial if you are selling products in regions that predominantly use the imperial system, such as the United States. So let's walk through this process together, making sure everything is set up just the way you need it. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen and find the Settings option. This is your command center for adjusting various preferences and configurations to tailor Shopify more closely to your business needs. As you access your settings, keep in mind that weight units affect not only what customers see, but also how shipping apps and fulfillment partners calculate costs. Many shipping carriers charge based on dimensional and actual weight, so selecting the correct unit ensures accurate pricing. Once you've clicked on Settings, you'll see various options that you can modify. What you need to focus on is the section dedicated to standards and measurements, specifically the unit system. This controls how units like weight are displayed in your store, which is crucial for inventory, shipping, and customer transparency. Click on the drop-down menu next to Unit System. You'll find two options here, metric and imperial. The metric system is widely used globally, and it includes measurements like kilograms for weight. But since we're focusing on changing our default weight unit to pounds, you'll want to select the imperial system. The imperial system is primarily used in the United States and uses pounds for weight. When making this change, it's helpful to double-check your existing product listings. If you previously entered weights in kilograms, you may need to manually update those values to pounds for accuracy. Shopify will not automatically convert stored product values. It only updates the display unit going forward. Once the imperial system is selected, you're almost there. By choosing the imperial option, Shopify will automatically update your default weight unit from kilograms to pounds. This switch will be reflected across your store, ensuring that all product weights are now displayed in pounds. This change not only aligns your measurements with the regional preferences of your audience, but also ensures clarity and precision when it comes to logistics like shipping and handling. And just like that, you've successfully adjusted your default weight unit on Shopify. This small tweak can make a significant difference in how your customers perceive their shopping experience, especially in parts of the world where the imperial system is the standard. Remember, clear communication helps avoid misunderstandings and ultimately builds trust with your clients. As a final tip, consider reviewing your shipping profiles after making this change. Some third-party apps or carriers may require settings that match your store's unit of measurement. Ensuring everything is aligned will help you avoid shipping errors and unexpected costs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.